point them out if you want to pick them up. Just everyone's already standing up now.
What's up, man? Come with me, please. How many times did you go into the lavatory and smoke it? Just once?
Yes.
And if you take anything to the jail, you don't tell us now, it will be in a distance.
A man purchases cannabis legally at a licensed dispensary. He boards a commercial flight. By the time he lands, he is in handcuffs. What he believed was legal cost him everything.
Or have everybody sit down.
So, just have him step out first.
All right.
Everyone's already
the
standing in the deputies, but I can point him out because he's wearing a distinct outfit.
It makes it easier if you can get him up to the top so y'all can do your thing uninterrupted. So,
Okay, yeah, so when he comes out, I'll just point him out if you want to pick him up. Just everyone's already standing up now.
Then don't
check.
down.
Okay.
Thank you.
and whoever
And for the first row, we try for the down.
Do what?
I mean, no, I get it.
That you
That's
want.
like you call like
Yeah.
So what do you like vaping a lot or
Yeah, what happened?
Smoking weed in the laboratory.
What's that?
Smoking weed in the laboratory.
Smoking weed in the lavatory.
Back, yeah.
Okay.
He was in there for like 20 minutes, and like we didn't really realize. I didn't.
It
realize
smelled like
it. Yeah.
Okay.
And so he closed the door, he walked it back. And
Did you guys tell him anything? Like,
yeah, we gave him a in-flight service report sheet. I told him directions were.
Everybody sit down. When I give him the slip, I approach him and he smelled like
Yeah.
yeah. 12 echo.
I'm sorry?
12 echo.
12 echo?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to bring him up?
Yeah.
Oh. They're gonna. Okay.
What white number is this coming in?
This is 1832, right? Yeah. 1832.
1830.
See, he has those yellow shorts. Hear me? He's coming out. He has yellow shorts.
What's up, man? Come with me, please.
So outside of that, is there anything? I'm sorry, I don't want to hold you guys up, but is there anything else that happened?
No,
Just
he
not-
complied. I gave him the IPTR. He just grabbed it and punched it.
What is that?
The form that we have to provide to the passenger when he breaks a law or
Okay.
misconduct,
Okay.
whatever. He has
Alright.
it on his hand.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have anything illegal on your person? We can go up to the top. What's inside of this? THC? Do you have the box for it? No? Okay. Were you smoking in the laboratory? Yeah? Why'd you do that, man? You can stop right here. So did they tell you? Is this it? Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah.
THC. THC, and it even smells. It smells like it's obvious. I said, do you have anything? Yeah. If you call SAR, just have him bring a test kit and like a zip tie or something. Hey, what seat were you sitting in?
16C.
Do you currently reside in South Carolina or Colorado? So what are you doing in Texas?
Just going back to South Carolina.
So you have a connecting flight?
Yes,
Do you have your boarding pass for that one as well?
that's what this is.
So show me your inbound boarding pass, and once everybody goes by, then we'll probably exit out, okay? How many times did you go into the laboratory and smoke it? Just once?
Yes.
Okay. Did you follow their instructions when they were giving you commands on the aircraft? Just being honest, they told me you were being unruly, so I'm just trying to make sense of that part too.
It wasn't being unruly.
Okay.
I just said, they came and said, hey, it smells like this. And I just said, okay. I didn't say anything to them.
Do you have anything else illegal on your person or no?
No.
No? So this is it?
Yeah, that's
And where'd you buy it from?
dispensary.
A dispensary in Denver?
Yes. Fully illegal and recreational.
In Denver, not here, man. And not federally either, by the way. Alright, well, it's slow enough. So gather your things. We're going to walk through an exit out to the curbside, okay? And you drop the cord. You want to throw that in a pocket or something?
I've got another bag in there.
Do you want to hang back?
The bag in
Yeah.
there?
Or
The back in there?
American can get it off, and they can hold it up.
Yeah, so.
What did the bag look like?
Yeah.
Describe
It's in the. It's a
The-
roller bag that says Travel Pro.
what color?
It's black. It's over probably row 17.
Or 17?
Yeah.
Oh, we can ask them. So come with me. So we're gonna go out to with him curbside. What we're gonna do though is you don't have a written statement form on you, do you?
Oh, what?
A written statement form.
Mm-mm.
No, it's no big deal. He has a bag still on board the aircraft, and it's,
We're gonna have to walk to the curbside, so it's still in there, just so you guys know.
if y'all can just bring it out for him, and we'll come back and get it within the next 30, 40 minutes. But we're going to take him out now to curbside. That's still his property, so.
Okay, I can get that. I'm on with SecOps right now. He has to connect these flights.
Yes, yeah, we're aware.
Okay, so
But it's not in the storage compartment. It's above
in the overhead.
in the overhead
You were
bins.
sitting in 16C, correct?
Yeah. The bag was probably over like 17 or 18.
Okay. And you're going out 14. Okay, I'll bring the bag out to you.
All right, thank you.
And then whatever you guys decide.
Yeah,
So
we'll
that's
be
it.
right outside on the curb.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
I
you, sir.
appreciate it.
All right, do me a favor, drop your things. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. So you are being placed under arrest for possession of controlled substance listed in penalty group 2, okay, aka THC. All right, those are both double locks, and I checked for proper fit, so they shouldn't have hurt. All right. Do me a favor, walk this way. Watch your step. You got your stuff. All right, I got you before you get in the car, okay? Do you have anything on you that can stick me or poke me? No? You got anything in drawstrings or shorts underneath these?
No.
Or is that it? Yeah, he's fine. He's been cooperative. And if you take anything to the jail, you don't tell us now, it will be an additional charge, just be advised, okay? All right, do me a favor, have a seat in the cop car. Take a big step with your left foot first, it's a little easier. Think y'all need some new trimming in here.
You get new cars, relax.
You a little hot or cold?
A little bit.
A little bit? We'll turn the AC on for you, all right? Okay.
This encounter exposes how 3 independent legal systems apply simultaneously to a single act and why legal in one state does not mean legal anywhere else. Texas Government Code Section 411.002 grants sheriff deputies full arrest authority for state criminal violations. Airports are not legal gray zones. They are among the most densely regulated spaces in American law. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968. Officers may detain an individual on reasonable, articulable suspicion alone. Direct eyewitness reports from trained airline crew exceed this threshold by a wide margin. Maryland v. Pringle, 540 U.S., 366 2003. Probable cause for drug possession is fully satisfied upon direct recovery of contraband from a person's possession. 1 device, 1 admission, probable cause complete. Berkmer v. McCarty, 468 U.S., 420 1984. Miranda warnings attach only to custodial interrogation, not to voluntary questioning. Whether custody had attached before this question began is a contested, factual question. That dispute puts every admission made here at suppression risk. Edwards v. Arizona, 451 U.S., 477 1981. Once a suspect invokes the right to counsel, all questioning must cease immediately. Any statement made afterward is inadmissible. 3 words would have closed the evidentiary record entirely. I want counsel. Texas Health and Safety Code Section 481.116. THC is classified as a penalty group 2 controlled substance. The 2023 legislative reclassification elevated THC concentrate from penalty group 2A into penalty group 2, raising minimum exposure to a state jail felony, carrying up to 2 years confinement and $10,000 in fines. 21 U.S.C. Section 841 maintains cannabis as Schedule 1 under federal law. 21 U.S.C. Section 952 makes transporting it across state lines a separate federal offense. A Colorado dispensary receipt is not a defense. Under federal law, it is evidence of how the substance crossed state lines. 14 C.F.R. Section 121.575 prohibits smoking aboard commercial aircraft. 49 U.S.C. Section 46,318 authorizes civil fines up to $25,000 per violation. This civil track is entirely independent of the criminal proceeding. State charges dismissed do not extinguish federal civil liability. Texas Penal Code Section 22.01A1, assault requires intentionally or knowingly causing bodily injury to another person. Airline crew reported physical contact with the subject after issuing the violation form. This allegation does not appear as a charge in the available footage. The reason is never addressed on camera. 1 Act, 3 independent legal tracks. A state felony under Texas Health and Safety Code, Section 481.116. A federal civil penalty under 49 U.S.C., Section 46,318. A potential assault charge under Texas Penal Code Section 22.01 filed unfilled or still pending unknown. The admissions are on camera, the arrest is documented, but the outcome of this case remains unknown. Could the pre-Miranda statements be suppressed on constitutional grounds? Will the unreported assault allegation surface as a separate charge? Can federal prosecutors pursue this independently if state charges are dropped? What happens next is still an open question.